In this tutorial, we will see that how you can delete all reposts at once on TikTok in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So if you open your TikTok app, you will be on this home page. You have to click on this profile that's showing right bottom side. Then you will be on this profile. Now, to delete your all reposts at once, click on these three lines on right top side. And here it will show you this settings and privacy. You have to open it. Scroll down. Then you will find the tab of sport and about. You have to open this report a problem. Simply scroll down and open up this report. Open this how to report. From here choose other. And at last it will show you this need more help option. If you click on that, it will open up this window. You have to type here like, hello TikTok team, I want to delete my all reposts at once. Please help me up and suggest me a way to delete these all at once. You can write your email and username and they will contact you through your email address and help you to delete your all TikTok repost at once. If you're finding built-in feature that's not available in TikTok right now, you can only delete all repost by requesting TikTok team. So that's how you can delete all repost at once on TikTok.